Alright, today we're going to be talking about vertical angles and their applications. We'll start with the definition. Vertical angles are two angles that are opposite of each other and share the same vertex. By the vertex, I mean the common point they have in common, where they intersect. We have two examples of vertical angles. We have angle 1 and angle 2. And we have angle 3 and angle 4 are vertical angles because they share the same vertex point and they're opposite of each other. Alright, the rules of vertical angles are vertical angles are congruent and have the same measurement. That's only if they're vertical angles. So in this case, because they share the same common vertex and they're opposite of each other, I can say that angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. And angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. If you know the measurements, you can say that the measurement of angle 1 is equal to the measurement of angle 2. And likewise, the measurement of angle 3 is equal to the measurement of angle 4. We're going to be using this to solve some problems. What is the measurement of the angles, angle 2 and angle 4? Okay, if you look at the diagram, you notice that we have pairs of vertical angles. So I know the measurement of angle 2 must be equal to 50 degrees because they're vertical angles. And measurement of angle 4 must be equal to 130 degrees. Let's just simply apply the definition. What is the measurement of angles 1 and 4? Well, we know that the measurement of angle 4 equals 70 degrees. What about measurement of angle 1? It's true that measurement of angle 1 equals x degrees. But you have to use the other geometric concept, that the sum of two angles that form a straight angle has to equal 180 degrees. So, if I know that angle 4 is 70 degrees, I can say 70 plus measurement of angle 1 must equal 180 degrees, which gives you 110 degrees. So x has to be 110 degrees. I have one more problem. What is the measurement of angles 1, 2, and 3? And you're given that this has a measure of 90 degrees. Again, we have a situation of vertical angles because they all share the same common point. So measurement of angle 3 must be 90 degrees because it's a vertical angle. But what about angles 1 and 2? We do know that they're equal to each other. The measures are equal. But again, you have to use the definition that any two angles that form a straight line has to be equal to 180 degrees. Well, if this is 90 degrees, the only other number that you can add to 90 to make 180 is 90. What I mean is measurement of angle 2 plus 90 must equal 180. So that forces measurement of angle 2 to equal 90 degrees, which is also the measure of angle 1, because measurement of angle 1 equals measurement of angle 2. And that concludes the lesson for today.